is concerned. You just heard from the residents, and now the latest update is that Times Now has confronted Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. Take a look at what happened. In fact, we raised some important questions, the questions that people, in fact, were raising, the people of Wayanad, after the landslides that devastated their lives about 2 years ago. When we asked about all these issues, take a look at what happened.
I think people want change, and we're very hopeful to be able to bring about that change.
Okay, and one major accusation now is happening is the LDF is saying that Priyanka Gandhi and Rahul Gandhi has not contributed anything towards the CMDRF from their MP fund. Would you like to react on that? They are saying MPs have not given any money to the Wayanad rehabilitation.
Well, we've done a lot for the rehabilitation of victims here on our own, and we've done it through our parties. And as you know, today also we're going to be inaugurating the housing, etc. And I think that we've done quite a lot.
But you have not given anything from the MP fund, they are saying.
Yeah, so we don't have to give it to them. We have to give it to the victims of the disaster.
Okay.
And that's what we're doing.
So will Congress, complete the housing project in time, because there has been a lot of delay on the.
Well, I hope so. There was a lot of delay of paperwork and of the land issues and all that. And fortunately, we've been able to resolve them. So hopefully, we'll build and be able to do something good soon.
Even the left government is saying that Congress, it's been 2 years, and even now they're only laying the foundation stone, and the LDF government is already.
Well, I would say that in identifying the land, it took a long time, also partly because of the dragging of the feet by the state government. Had they been more cooperative with us at that point, we would have been able to do it earlier.
So is there any timeline now that by when?
Well, our timeline is already passed, I would say. We should have been able to do it. I'm just happy that at least we've got all the clearances. They took a very long time to clear this project.
So are you happy after the Disha meeting,
yes, I'm
evaluation?
Happy. Yes, I'm happy. The central problem that everybody is facing, I think every different scheme, is a lack of funding from the central government.
Okay.
So the central government funds are very slow, in some cases also state government, but more than that, rather central government is slowing down funding on a lot of schemes, and that's delaying this.
Yesterday I spoke to a few of the victims, and they also had the same.
All right, so that was the first reaction we got of Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, the Wayanad MP. She was very clearly asked about what the people, what the residents of Wayanad, the people whose lives were impacted because of landslides, are saying about the delay. And she said, in fact, that there were some legal issues that, they were facing, and that's the reason why, it took them so much of time. And now they are hopeful, the party is hopeful they'll be able to complete the rehabilitation project very soon. Let's go across to my colleague Arpita, joining us live right now for more on this. Arpita, you asked some pertinent questions, because it's not their political opponents only, but the people, the victims of Wayanad landslide, who are raising questions. And Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, in fact, put the onus on the state government also.
Well, yes, rightly said. When we spoke to the victims yesterday, they were very upset with Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, who's an MP from Wayanad. They're saying she, being an MP, she did not give any fund from the MP fund during the landslide that happened. And they were very upset with the fact that Congress is taking a lot of time to build to give the project that they have promised, that is 50 houses, that is total 100 houses, 50 in the first phase and 50 in the second phase. But it's been almost 2 years, and this is today. In some time, Priyanka Gandhi Vadra and Rahul Gandhi will lay foundation stone. When asked question about that, she put the blame on the state government. She also mentioned that there's a lot of legal issues with the land that took them a lot of time to figure out where the project will come up. And when asked when are they planning to finish the project, she did not give any time. She just said she's hopeful that it will get over soon. Now remember, this
she in fact mentioned that for her the deadline is already over, but the people clearly are waiting. Thank you very much, Arpita, for the moment, for joining us with your inputs on this story. Let's now move on. And